Hi guys, welcome back to Techie again.
Do you know Excel can create a graph using a formula? Sounds a bit crazy, right? But it's possible. I know everybody is using the standard Excel graph option, which is coming in the data, but you can still create graphs using a formula. Sometimes using the standard Excel graph cannot give that required result. For in this case I need to get a graph besides my table, show a horizontal graph showing the percentage of the capacity utilization. Let's see how to do it. First of all, I have a set of data, a list of factory workers and their confirmation hours, like in fact the capacity utilization of these people in a factory. So here is the percentage. Now I need to make a graph, a horizontal graph, in fact, just beside that percentage, showing the variation in the conformation of individual people. If you create a standard Excel graph, it's going to come separate, and it comes not beside to the table, which you can drag and come make it close, but both are separate fields, like the table is one field and the graph is another one. How to make a table and a graph together? So let's see. The first thing you need to do is you need to convert the percentage into a value. So this can be done by using a basic equation, like multiplying this value with 100 is going to give you a value now. Okay, you drag it along. Okay, you can make it okay. Now next one. Now you are going to create a create this graph using a axis symbol. This symbol in Windows is 219. The number 219 gives you a graphical block actually. In MacBook, I am not sure how to bring this ASCII code into an Excel sheet. So what I'm doing is, you can go to Google, just type ASCII code 219, press enter. You can see here, this is that graphical symbol or block which I told you. Just copy this symbol and paste it on your graph. Paste it on your Excel sheet, in fact. Yeah. Reduce the font size to 10. Okay. Now I am going to use a repeat function in Excel. The basic syntax for this function is that I'm going to use it straight away, equal to repeat. You have to select a text and the number of times it's needed to repeat. So for in this situation, my text is this simple. I am locking it. Then how many times I need to repeat the same symbol, and that is my this values. Close the bracket, press enter. Now you drag it along to get your graph. See, your graph is already formed. Now unhide this column, hide this column in fact, and you can change the color. For changing the color, you have to select this thing and go to the character color change, not the fill color. The character color change, you can put same blue color itself. See this graph looks a little more appealing and more interactive compared to the other graph which you can get from Excel. Hope you liked my video, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to create the same graph using conditional formatting in Excel and just keep waiting for this video. Thanks for watching. Please keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.